So, bago po tayo pumasok ng Laveen model. Ayan, yung pinakamalaki nating house model is the Tantararan! That is the Laveen house model. Tingnan nyo naman, hindi na siya magkasya sa frame ng aking camera because it's so huge. Ayan, so this one is a 5-bedroom house. Tamang-tama para sa mga families na may kasama ding mga lolo, lola, or cousins, tito, tita, diba? Alright. So, pasukin natin ang Laveen. The Laveen has a usable floor area of 181 square meters. Ang laki po, diba? And has a minimum lot area of 145 square meters. Now, yung nakikita niyo po ngayon na house model, nakatayo po siya sa 174 square meter lot area kasi nasa corner lot po siya. So, sa mga may gusto po na malawak po talaga yung extra lot, I suggest you get the ones na located sa corner lot. Pero, syempre po, limited po yan. So, paunahan po sa mga may gusto po ng corner lot. Paunahan po tayo dyan. 'Di ba? So, pasukin po natin ngayon ang Laveen. Again, 5 bedrooms po ito with 3 toilet and baths. Sorry, 5 bedrooms with 3 toilet and baths and attic. So, there. So, una nating mapapasok syempre is the living, dining, and kitchen area of the Laveen house model. Alright. Yes, so this is the biggest house model that we have. Perfect na perfect if you have a bigger family. Alright. Let's scan the whole ground floor first. Ang luwag ng nito, ang luwag ng living area nito, grabe. There, ang luwag. Yes. And we use 60 by 60 ceramic tiles, lalong mas nagbumukhang maluwag because we use the big tiles. Kasi pag sa designing po, if you have less lines on the floor, it will look more spacious. 'Di ba? Alright, and now this is the dining area. Again, tingnan nyo naman. Ang sarap kumain dyan, kaharap mo yung garden mo or yung patio mo sa likod, 'di ba? With the plants. Punuin mo ng plants dyan if you're a plantita. Alright? And ito, my favorite part of this house is actually the kitchen. Look at the kitchen naman. Meron siyang bar. Ayan, 'di ba? May bar na siya and the countertop is made of granite. Granite na yan, 'di ba? Ang luwag ng kitchen nito, grabe. Nakakaganang magluto. Sino ba namang hindi ma-excite magluto niyan, 'di ba? And of course, the kitchen has a window also overlooking your outdoor area. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng style, that's true. And ang dami niyang under-counter cabinet. So, it will be more organized because you have lots of storage. Although, the overhead cabinets po, hindi pa po yan included, ha? Ang included lang po dito yung under-counter. Alright. So, hanggang dyan siya sa may corner. So, ang luwag po ng kitchen nito. And, parang for me, if you are parang ang hilig mo talaga magluto at marami kang niluluto, maganda yung workflow area na to. Pag nagluluto ka, parang saktong-sakto siya sa galaw or sa flow ng, ng kilos mo sa kitchen. Yes. Alright, so again, this house has 5 bedrooms and 2 of the bedrooms are here on the ground floor. So this is the first bedroom that we have. So again, if you're living with seniors or may mga living with titos and titas, then they can have this room on the ground floor para they don't have to go up and down the stairs. 'Di ba? And it's also spacious with enough windows for ventilation also. And then we have another one here. There. So, ang nilagay nila dito is table. But, kasi pwede siyang maging meeting room din. But, you can also put a single bed here. Diba? Tapos, nandyan yung kanyang cabinet. With window also. Ayan. So, this is how it looks like when your view is coming from the kitchen. Diba? Ang luwag po ng kanyang living and dining areas. Alright. So again, sa mga bagong pasok po sa ating live, we are now having a live virtual tour of our houses here at Centrina Alaminos. And this is the biggest house model that we have. This is the Lavin house model with 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths with attic. So, the first toilet and bath is also here on the ground floor. Ayan. So, meron na rin siya. Kompleto na talaga yan. 'Di ba? Lavatory, and then water closet or inodoro with the telephone shower na may saksakan na for the water heater. May lalagyan na rin tayo ng mga shampoo and toiletries. Alright. Now, let's go to the second floor. Alright. So, this is now the second floor. And dito, pag akit niyo po ng second floor, ito na po yung kanyang balcony. So, sliding door to. This is aluminum sliding door. See? Ay, grabe. Oh, ang hangin na naman. I hope you can feel the wind here. Sobrang presko talaga. I've been walking around this whole morning and hindi pa ako pinagpapawisan kasi ang presko talaga. Ang presko. Ayan. At kita niyo naman ang luluwag po ng mga roads natin. Di po ba? Yes. Tawagan ko na kuya ko na OFW para may idea siya. That's right, Miss Carrie Dre. Ayan. Alam niyo po, sulit po yung pinagpapaguran na pera, lalo na ng mga OFWs natin. If they can invest on a house like this, no? Hindi lang maganda, hindi lang very good ang quality, hindi lang maganda ang location, pero sa price nito, talagang value for money talaga siya, no? Ayan, so silipin natin the second floor na common toilet and bath. Okay. So, same din po with the ground floor one, but this one is a little more spacious. And then, mamaya na tong master bedroom natin. Ito yung ating, ayan, bedroom number 3. Ayan, and this is the 4th bedroom. Ay, ang luwag. Hindi pa ito yung master bedroom. Ayan, ang luwag niya. Then you still have closet space here. Tsaka, ayan, marami talagang bintana, no? Dala-dalawa pa yung mga bintana ng mga bedrooms natin. Ayan. And now, we are going to the master bedroom. So again, the tiles here sa second floor, ceramic po yan, pero mukha siyang kahoy. Di ba ang ganda? So elegant talaga. Ayan. So this one is the master bedroom. Eto talaga. Look at that window. Ang lakas diba? Ang lakas hotel. Because of the huge windows. Para kang nasa hotel. And, eto pa ha, I have a surprise for you. Look up. So, ang taas ng ceiling nito and more natural light is coming in because of the windows there sa hotel, I promise. Ayan. Ang luwag, grabe. Parang solar, totoo. Yun nga, naalala ko, parang mga, diba, parang windows ng hotel. And then you have the walk-in closet. Ito, mas maraming space. Yan. Lalo na for misis, sa mga misis, kailangan talaga malaki ang closet space for all their things. And of course, the countertop of the master toilet and bath is granite. And here, you have a spacious master toilet and bath. That's true. Lakas maka-hotel. Ikaw ba naman, after a long day at work, and you come home to a house like this, then it's all worth it. Tama ba? Lahat ng tinatrabaho mo, sobrang worth it. Kung ganito naman yung house na uuwian mo at makikita mo yung pinaghirapan mo na nag-materialize into your dream home. 'Di ba? Yung window is semi-tinted po. So, you can darken the tint kung gusto niyo po. Kasi, it's up to the preference po talaga din ng mga titira na if they want it darker or not. Kasi, you have the option to put curtains naman po. Ayan. So, this is the last and the biggest house model that we have here. Again, this is called the Laveen house model with 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths. Now, bakit tayo bumababa? Dapat pala paakyat pa tayo kasi meron pa tayong attic. So ito, nakita niyo yung attic, the attic of our Laveen model. Ang luwag nito. Parang isang buong floor din talaga to ng house. So if you have a huge family, kung mahilig kayo have guests over, then you can, oh my gosh! Ang laki! Wow! So, you can have your mini bar here, entertainment room siya, pwedeng ganyan. You can have pwede ka nga magkaroon ng parang mini theater dito sa luwag nito eh. 'Di ba? And yung attic nito, ayan, yung attic nito ano to ha? Concrete flooring po siya, buhos yan. It's not wood. Hindi siya wood panels. Actually, oo nga eh. Pwedeng hindi na ako magbukas ng ilaw, pero ito yung mga ilaw niyan. Ayan. Yes, so attic daw ba yan? Yan. So ito, pwede mo siyang gawing mini home theater, family entertainment room, playroom of your children, or you can divide this room pa, you can make this as your guest room pa. Marami, it's up to you, it's up to what you need and ano yung gusto nyong gawin with the space. But the important thing is that you have lots of extra space, 'di ba? Party room pwede rin. Alright, for the down payment po, ayan, we will discuss it. Down payment po natin, available po kasi sa lahat po ng house models natin. Pwede tayo as low as 10% down payment. Okay, so yung 10% down payment po na yon, pwede po yung hatiin sa 24 monthly installments. Ayan, so it will make it more affordable for everyone to acquire a home here. Okay, so first step is to, of course, reserve a unit muna. So, magkano po yung reservation ba? Ayan. So, pag-usapan natin yan. Sige. So, of course, the first thing that you have to do if you want to own a home here is to, number 1, reserve. Siyempre, magpapareserve ka. So, magkano ba yung ating mga reservation fee dito sa Centrina Alaminos? So, it starts at 20,000 pesos. So, yung mga smaller units natin earlier like the Avina, Ara, and Raya model, you can reserve them for 20,000 pesos. And then for the bigger ones, the Raya, Amira, and Laveen model po, pwede niyo po siya i-reserve for only 30,000 pesos. So, kasama po itong Laveen house model na to sa 30,000 pesos na reservation. Now, after the reservation, pag ano rin po, kailangan magpasa rin po kayo ng mga requirements. So, for reservation po, you just need to pass or to submit your 2 valid government IDs. They should be valid, meaning hindi pa po expired. Dapat government issued po. And then, kailangan nyo rin po ng mga income requirements. So, for those who are locally employed, kailangan nyo po ng Certificate of Employment and Compensation. And then, kailangan i-ready nyo rin po yung ITR ninyo. Para naman po sa mga OFWs, we need your job contract and your payslips. Ayan. And then, kailangan din po if ever you're working sa like mga Dubai, Italy, kailangan po English translated na po yung inyong mga documents. Alright, what else? So, for the reservation stage also, you need to submit your the 2 valid IDs, proof of income, and proof of billing. So, you need to submit your billing statement, any billing statement po na nakapangalan sa inyo. If you are renting or living with your relatives, then you can also submit the billing statement there and then just give us a letter po na authorization from the owner of the bill. Okay po. So yan, napakadali lang po, 'di ba? Very basic requirements. So just pay the reservation fee. It's either 20,000 or 30,000 pesos depending on the house model, and then just submit the requirements po for you to reserve your dream home here at Santina Alaminos. Now, about the price. So the prices of our house models, nag-range po yan from 5 million and up. So, the Avina model po, ayan, right now po kasi, mas malaki po sa minimum lot area yung available inventory natin. So, the price starts at 5 million pesos. So, i-reserve niyo po siya for 20,000 pesos. And then, the 10% down payment is 480,000. As low as 20,000 pesos lang po per month ang babayaran nyo for 24 months para po sa ating down payment. Yan po yung sa Avina. Now, for the ARA model, ang available natin ngayon na may total contract price is 5.3 million. Reservation fee is 20,000. And then the 10% down payment is 518,000 po. Now, divide that into 24 months. As low as 21,500 lang po na monthly down payment, maa-avail nyo na po ang ARA model. Next naman is Raya model. So yung Raya natin, kanina, the one with the 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths, that's 6.6 million. So you have to pay the reservation fee of 30,000 pesos, and then after that, you'll pay the down payment na 10%, which is 630,000. So, ang lalabas po yan, kung 10% down payment up to 24 months, it's as low as 26,345 per month lang po. O, diba? Still very affordable. Now, pagdating po sa Amira, yan, yung meron pong attic kanina, yung second to the biggest house model. Si Amira po has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths with attic. That's 7.9 million po sa total contract price niya. You can reserve it for 30,000 pesos. And the down payment ng 10% is 760,000 po. So divide that into 24 months. Kaya niyo po siyang hulugan for only 31,700 per month. Alright, so yun po yung Amira natin. And lastly, for the Lavine model, this is the Lavine model. Ayan, yung pinakamalaki natin, the one with 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths plus attic. Ngayon po kasi, ang pinakamaliit natin na available na lot area for the Lavine is 168 square meters. So malaki po siya, no? Supposedly, ang pinakamaliit lang po dapat na lote nito is 130. Yes. So, ang minimum lot area para magtayo ng Lavine is 130. But right now, sa inventory natin, the available lot area is 168 square meters. So, the total contract price is already at it's at only 10 million po. So, reserve natin siya ng 30,000, then pay the 10% down payment na 982,000 po. The monthly down payment for 24 months is only 40,939. Ayan. So, sa ganong halaga, you will have a 5-bedroom house with attic with lots of space. Yan, interior and exterior space. Meron pa kayong parang garden sa labas. Meron din kayong utility area at the back. You have extra space sa side po ng house ninyo. So, lahat po ng mga house natin dito ay single po, no? single po yung mga houses natin. Wala po tayong townhouses dito. So again, lahat po ng prices mentioned, the total contract price mentioned po are all in. How much required income po per model? So, yes, Miss Rica Basilio, that's a good question. So, usually po the banks compute it like this. So, yung magiging, yung mapipili nyo po na payment term, no, pag kinompute po namin yan dito sa office, i-base po namin dun sa monthly amortization ninyo and then i-divide po natin yan sa 35%. So, kunyari, for example, ang monthly amortization nyo is, for example, 38,000, diba? So, yung 38,000 po na monthly amortization nyo, para ma-determine natin kung pasok po yung monthly income ninyo, yung 38,000 po na yan, divide nyo po sa 35% or 0.35. So, may calculator ba kayo dyan? Ayan. So, kung meron kayong calculator, compute nyo yan. Magkano po ba ang lalabas? Yun po yung kanilang i-require na income. Now, pagdating po sa income, it should be your basic income. And it can be combined income po of one household. Or kung may co-borrower po kayo, pwede nyo po i-combine po yon. Ayan. So, pwede rin po dalawa kayo or tatlo kayong co-borrowers. Or kung mag-asawa po, ayan, kino-combine naman po yung income. So, magkano ba yon sa, kunwari, for example lang just to give you an idea po. For example, 38,000 divided by 35%.
Wala akong ano.
Sige. So, i-compute natin yan and then, yun po yung, i-require po na income ng bangko.
Ito na lang, Chris. Wala kasi yung...
Ayan. For example,
Kayo ng base na lang kayo sa competition. So, hindi ko siya makuha dito.
ayan. So, for example, nasa 38,000, ang required income po is 108,000. Mga ganun, more or less, 110,000, ganun na. Ilagay na natin sa ganun. So, pagdating po sa income, pwede naman po yung combined income. How much required income po per model? So, yes, Miss Rica Basilio, that's a good question. So, usually po the banks compute it like this. So, yung magiging yung mapipili nyo po na payment term, no, pag kinompute po namin yan dito sa office, i-base po namin dun sa monthly amortization ninyo and then i-divide po natin yan sa 35%. So, kunyari, for example, ang monthly amortization nyo is, for example, 38,000, diba? So, yung 38,000 po na monthly amortization nyo, para ma-determine natin kung pasok po yung monthly income ninyo, yung 38,000 po na yan, divide nyo po sa 35% or 0.35. So, may calculator ba kayo dyan? Ayan. So, kung meron kayong calculator, compute nyo yan. Magkano po ba ang lalabas? Yun po yung kanilang i-require na income. Now, pagdating po sa income, it should be your basic income. And it can be combined income po of one household. Or kung may co-borrower po kayo, pwede nyo po i-combine po yon. Ayan. So, pwede rin po dalawa kayo or tatlo kayong co-borrowers. Or kung mag-asawa po, ayan, kino-combine naman po yung income. So, magkano ba yon sa, kunwari, for example lang just to give you an idea po. For example, 38,000 divided by 35%.
Wala akong ano.
Sige. So, i-compute natin yan and then, yun po yung, i-require po na income ng bangko.
Ito na lang, Chris. Wala kasi yung...
Ayan. For example,
Kayo ng base na lang kayo sa competition. So, hindi ko siya makuha dito.
ayan. So, for example, nasa 38,000, ang required income po is 108,000. Mga ganun, more or less, 110,000, ganun na. Ilagay na natin sa ganun. 110,000. Ayan. Ayan. Ito ang bahay na hindi ka magkakamot ng ulat problema pagdating sa luwag at laki ng space. Wow! Thank you for your comment, Sir Vin. Ayan. So, yan. Sumagot si Miss Mary Shell. Sanchez Orencia, yan, 108,571. So, mga ganun po. So, pagdating po sa income, pwede naman po yung combined income. And if you want to see it for yourself and appreciate our model houses more, then please message us po dito po sa page namin to schedule a site viewing. Thank you so much! Construction details and move-in fee. Actually, wala po tayong move-in fees because yung mga prices na binanggit ko po kanina, the TCP or the total contract price already is all-inclusive. That means wala po tayong hidden charges. Kasama na po yung lahat ng miscellaneous fees such as the water and power connection plus the bank fees and charges po are all included in our total contract price already. So, wala na po tayong mga tinatawag na move-in fees. Ayan, kasama na po yon. Okay. And then, regarding construction po, it really depends on the size of the house. So, if mga smaller house models like Avina and Ara, usually ang construction period po natin is 12 months. Alright? 12 months. And then for the bigger houses po, mga 15 months po yon. So habang naghuhulog din po kayo naman, syempre, we will construct the house po upon full down payment. Ayan. Malinaw naman po. I hope clear naman po yung information na nasi-share natin, and I really appreciate that you're asking these questions para rin po nasasagot na po siya for everyone. Thank you so much! And by the way po, this subdivision will have its own commercial area dito po mismo sa labas ng ating subdivision. So, hindi lang po tayo malapit sa SM, kundi meron po tayo mismo sariling commercial development dito sa labas lang po mismo ng village natin. Alright? At saka, meron tayong complete amenities like swimming pool, basketball court, children's playground and clubhouse, plus jogging paths. Ayan, and parks. Ayan, para every weekend, diba, or pag uwi nyo, you'll have space to relax and bond with your family. And number 1 din po dyan is our location. Talaga naman, number 1. Yan, sa ating listahan is location. And number 1 din po yan pagdating dito sa Centrina Alaminos dahil along Maharlika National Highway lang po tayo. We can hail or we can get a bus going to Metro Manila. Paglabas nyo po ng subdivision, very accessible.